Alright, so the mouth has teeth that break down the food. The pharynx helps with swallowing. The esophagus carries the food to the stomach. In the stomach, there is the fundus, pylorus, and the cardiac sphincter. The cardiac sphincter prevents the stomach acid from going back into the esophagus. And then the fundus stores undigested food. The pylorus is used to prevent the food from going from the small intestine into the stomach. And the stomach is where some digestion occurs. And then we go to the duodenum. The duodenum, where most of the chemical digestion occurs. And then we go to the pancreas, where digestive enzymes and insulin is made. Then we go to the liver. The liver stores vitamins and breaks down old red blood cells. Then we go to the gallbladder. The gallbladder stores the bile that is produced by the liver. Then we go to the bile duct. The bile duct secretes pancreatic juices and bile back into the duodenum. From the duodenum, we have the duodenum. I'm not sure how to say it. I'm sorry. Then that is where food nutrients is absorbed. And then we go to the ileum, which is another part of the small intestine, where vitamins B and bile salts are absorbed. And in the small intestine, there are villi and microvilli that help absorb nutrients. And then we go to the appendix, which is a defense system, and there's really no other use for it. And then we go to the colon. The colon consists of the cecum, which absorbs fluids and salts. Then we go to the ascending colon, right here. The ascending colon moves the feces from the cecum to the transverse colon. From the transverse colon, the water is removed from the feces. And then we go to the descending colon, which is just a storage chamber, mostly for the feces. And then we go to the sigmoid colon, which is also a storage chamber. And then we go to the rectum, which is the last storage chamber, and the anus, which is the sphincter that lets the feces out of your body. Oh, and then the mesentery, almost forgot. Mesentery covers and holds all of the organs together.